In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combo chart in Google Sheets. A combo chart can be incredibly useful when you want to display two different types of data on the same chart, allowing for a more comprehensive visual analysis. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up Google Sheets in your browser. You can start with a new sheet or an existing one where your data is already organized. Now, it's crucial that your data is prepared correctly. Ideally, you should have the data you want to chart laid out in columns, with each column having a header that clearly describes what the data represents. This could include, for example, sales figures in one column and percentage growth in another. Make sure the data range is continuous without any empty rows or columns, as that might cause issues while creating the chart. Once your data is prepped and ready, go ahead and highlight the entire range, including those all-important headers. This ensures that Google Sheets knows exactly what data and labels to include in your combo chart. Now, with your data range highlighted, look towards the top of your screen and find the Insert menu in the toolbar. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu where you'll choose the Chart option. You'll notice that a Chart Editor panel will now appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In this panel, make sure you're under the Setup tab. Here you'll find a drop-down labeled Chart Type. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a variety of chart options you can choose from. Scroll through these options until you find Combo Chart and select it. Almost instantly, the chart preview will update on your screen, combining your datasets into a single cohesive chart. Now comes the fun part. Customization. Under the same chart editor, you have options to adjust the look and feel of your chart. You can change colors, labels, and titles, and even modify which data series are represented as bars or lines. Spend some time tinkering with these settings to ensure your chart communicates your data story effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your combo chart looks, you can either close the chart editor, or if you want, continue to refine your settings. Google Sheets lets you come back and make adjustments anytime, so your chart remains as dynamic as your data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a combo chart in Google Sheets. With this powerful tool at your disposal, your data analysis will surely reach new heights. Give yourselves a pat on the back, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.